Right, so I've cut out these shapes, which I'm quite happy with, and now I just want to do a last shape here and a revolve to put in a dial. So I'm going to go, first of all I'm going to extrude a slot here, so I'm going to go extrude, select onto this face, and use center rectangle. I'm going to create a rectangle that I like the look of, proportion wise. Right, I'm going to make it 3 mm high, and I'm going to make it, I'll make it 30 long, so I can just double click on those dimensions to change them. Right, I also want to make sure that it is in the center, in that direction, so I'm going to put in a dimension from, well, I'm going to put in a reference line, so if I right click, I can go to references and I'm going to select that as a reference, close that, go to dimension up here and click on that line, click on the center there, and then middle click. So it's just off center, it's 18259, so I just need to change it to 18 and tick, and now that's put that slot into the center, and I'm going to tick OK and just drag that through like that to create that slot and tick. Right, I'm going to just round off those corners again, and this time I'm just going to do it 1 mil, and 1 mil, and tick. Right, and I'm also going to just, last of all, I'm going to just chamfer the edges of all these slots. So chamfering is similar to the round tool, but instead of a round, it just puts a like 45-degree angle on it. So it's set at 1 mil, see what that looks like. Yes, I think that looks fine, that looks good, and I'm going to just go around and do that on all of my holes that I've created. Okay, so that's so that when I put the buttons in and the dials, it's just gonna, they'll sort of stand out a bit better. Okay, so I've done all of that, and I'll tick, and I'm gonna, right, when I save this now, I'm gonna right click up here and activate the assembly so the whole thing has activated, and save it. Sometimes it won't let you save it unless you have activated the assembly, so just by right clicking, I've activated it already, so it won't let me activate it now, but if I do it on the part, right click and activate. Okay, and save, and that will save.